Rogers, tara po muna tayo. I can explain it naman sa'yo. With this, in the future, matutulungan ka nito as being a nurse, and ganito nga example na.
Good morning, Ms. Mitch. Kamusta po? Halika, upo po kayo so we can start today with a morning stretch. Kaya po ba, ma'am?
Medyo mahirap yun.
Alright po. What matters po ay nananatin po natin ng energy flow. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale.
Rogers agreed that nurse harmonize the patient energy field by utilizing the balance through touch, tone, and environment. Remember, it happens in the flow of energy between the nurse and patient, and not just only in the physical body.
Nurse, kamusta mo ba yung nanay ko? Ano po pwede kong gawin?
OA? Na, marami ganitong story sa ospital, kaya maintindihan ang tutunan mo rin. So, eto na nga.
Mika, your presence pa lang po is healing. When you pay a visit, your energy is contagious since it impacts one's emotions and spirit world. You are her strength.
Nurse, paano pag di na siya bumalik sa dati?
Healing isn't always about complete recovery. At times, it could be restoring inner peace. Ganito na lang, ma'am. Let's play her favorite music to update her spirit.
The environment, based on Martha Rogers' theory, is an energy field, sounds, color, and emotion. It all shape the patient's recovery. Through music and emotional connection, healing begins.
Good morning, ma'am. Kamusta po si patient?
Morning po. Medyo maayos naman na po yung pakiramdam niyan. Ganda po ng mood niyo today, mama.
Kailangan po kasi sa atin unang makita ng mga patients yung hope na hinahanap ko.
Ma'am, I think naiintindihan ko na yung concept ni Martha Rogers.
Tell me now, how did you realize?
Hindi lang pala about sa pag-aalaga or sa medicine. It's more about the connection between the nurse and the patient, pati yung environment and emotion nila.
Tama, sa theory ni Rogers, both the human and the environment are energy fields na lagi nag-i-interact. Kaya kapag balance yung energy doon nangyayari yung healing.
So, yung ginawa ni Nurse Pohas, yung pag-ayos ng ilaw at pagiging kalmado, hindi lang pala sa pagpapaganda ng mood. Ginawa niya yung harmony ng energy field.
Exactly na. Si Florence Nightingale kasi, focus niya is physical environment. Liliness, air, light, pero si Rogers, mas malalim ang tingin niya. Hindi lang sa paligid, kundi sa mismo mga connection ng tao sa environment. Kaya para sa kanya, nurse at patient share one flow of energy. Kaya bawat touch, tone ng voice, at attitude ng nurse may impact sa healing.
Kaya pala sabi niya healing is not just recovery, it's about peace and balance. So, ibig sabihin, kahit simpleng pagngiti ng nurse ay nakakatulong sa pasyente?
Oo na, that's the power of energy interaction. Healing starts when both fields, human and environment, are in harmony.
Healing is harmony between the nurse, patient, and environment. I remember that, ma'am.
Good, tandaan mo yan. Nursing isn't just a skill. It's a connection of hearts and energy. So, Crisanta, gets mo na ba si Martha Rogers?
Opo, ma'am. Ngayon ko lang po naintindihan na healing happens when there's harmony between the nurse, the patient, and the environment.
Very good na. I'm proud of you. Oh, tara na, tayo na pala.
Thank you, ma'am.
Alam niyo, yun ko lang naintindihan na mahalaga pala yung connection ng tao sa paligid natin. Yun yung energy flow na.
Oo nga, parang sabi ni Prof. Hindi lang dapat physical recovery, kundi dapat nagkasalurin ng spiritual and emotional.
Kaya nga yung pinakita ni Nurse Pohas, yung stretching, pagkahawak ng kamay. Parang naramdaman ko yung therapeutic effect kahit hindi ako yung pasyente.
Tayo rin bilang mga future nurses, kailangan magbigay tayo ng holistic care with body, mind, and spirit. Kasama yung environment sa care natin.
Tama, not just medical treatment dapat yung pinapansin, kundi yung harmony ng lahat para gumaling yung profession.
Kaya ayos na to. Thanks, Prof. Sa tingin
unity and human environment sa puso natin habang nag-aalaga tayo ng buhay.